Good morning, student. Now, today we will start a new exercise 6.3. But before, you have to know about the types of fraction. Okay, first is like fraction. Fractions with same denominator are called like fraction. The fraction which have the same denominator is called as like fraction. Example 1 by 4, 3 by 4. So you can see the denominator is equal in both the cases. So this is the example of like fraction. Okay. Now unlike fraction. Fractions with different denominator are called unlike fraction. The fraction which don't have same denominator, they are known as unlike fraction. Example 1 by 4, 1 by 8. You can see here both the denominator are different, so these are the example of unlike fraction. Now proper fraction. If the numerator of a fraction is less than its denominator, so it is called a proper fraction. Okay, that means in proper fraction the numerator should be smaller than denominator. Okay, so you can see example 1 by 2. So in this case you can see the numerator is less than denominator. Okay, 2 by 3, numerator is less than denominator. 3 by 4, 4 by 9, 8 by 13. So the fraction in which numerator is less than denominator is called as proper fraction. Okay, now improper fraction. Fractions with the numerator either equal to or greater than the denominator is called improper fraction. And in improper fraction, the numerator should be equal to denominator or more than denominator is called as improper fraction. You can see here 5 by 5, both numerator and denominator are same. So it is the example of improper fraction. Again 3 by 2, the numerator is more than denominator, so it is improper, 8 by 3. Okay, so these are the example of improper. Now unit fraction. A proper fraction with 1 as its numerator is called as unit fraction. In unit fraction you can see 1 is always in the numerator, so it will be an example of unit fraction. You say your example 1 by 7, 1 by 5, 1 by 4. So we can see that in the numerator 1 is present. So it is the example of unit fraction. Now next one and last one is mixed fraction. A combination of a whole part and a proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. Okay. Mixed fraction is combination of both proper fraction and whole fraction. You can see the example 1 whole 1 by 3. 2 whole 1 by 5, 7 whole 1 by 7. So these are the example of mixed fraction. Okay. Now we will start exercise 6.3. Okay. The first question is which of the following are group of like fraction? You have to tick those fraction which are in like form. Just example I will show you, that is 3 by 5, 4 by 5. Here you can see the denominator is same, so it is like fraction, so you can tick it. Next one is 1 by 7, 2 by 3, 1 by 4. So in this case you can see the denominator is different, so it is unlike fraction. You cannot mark it. I had marked it because you have to do all the questions. Okay. Now write 3 like fraction with denominator 3. You have to write here the 3 like fraction with the same denominator. So I had written here 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 4 by 3. So in this case you can see the denominator are same in 3 cases. Okay, so these are the example of like fraction. Okay, so in the same way you can do question number B and question number C. Now question number 3. Which of the following are proper fraction? Listen, as I told you, the proper fraction are those fraction which have the numerator which is less than the denominator. In proper fraction the numerator is less than denominator. So you can see 3 by 7, it is also a proper fraction. 10 by 9, no, it is not because the numerator is more. So in this way you can find out and tick the fraction which is proper fraction.